What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kennedy and today I will be showing you all how I made my own digital vision board. Let's get started. Okay, so to get right into it, we all know what a vision board is, what you do to outline your goals, your manifestations for the year, your dreams, all that good stuff. Traditionally, you would get some magazines, a poster board, and get to cutting and hang it up on your wall, somewhere where you would see it every day. And another place you look every day is your phone. So today we are going to take out all the cutting and the magazines and we're going to make it on our phone so we can make it our wallpaper, so that when we open our phone, the first thing we see is a vision board of a compilation of all of our dreams and manifestations and goals for 2021 and beyond. So it's super easy. Today I'm only going to be using two apps. I'm going to be using Canva, so I'm actually going to construct it, and then Pinterest is where I get all the pictures I'll be using for my vision board. If you don't want to use Pinterest, you could also use Instagram. You can kind of type in hashtags or some pages you follow with something that you want to aspire to, and just kind of screenshot it and then do it that way. But it's easier for me to just go on Pinterest and just create boards and little pins, easier for me instead of screenshotting from Instagram. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and open up Canva, which is of course an app where you can create a lot of posts and stories. It's great for your branding if you have a business. I use it for my small business. So once you're on Canva, you just want to create a design, and then you can do either the option for Instagram story or phone wallpaper. It's the same dimensions in terms of pixels. So I'm going to select wallpaper, and then Canva already has templates for you that you can choose from, but I'm not going to use a template. I'm just going to start with a blank white canvas. You can start with your own color palette. So for the purpose of the video, I want to make mine yellow. I already made a vision board for my laptop, my MacBook. I can go ahead and insert that. So with my phone, I'm going to be making just I'm just going to scale down the vision board I made for my MacBook wallpaper, if that makes sense. So the background I'm going to be using, I'm going to go for a gold color that I use for my similar to what I use for my YouTube channel. It's a little gold yellow look, pastel-y, if that makes sense. That's close enough for me. And then on Canva, if you just hit that plus sign at the bottom right and hit uploads, you can kind of upload media, and it'll give you an option if you want to take photos, browse your library, or go to your photo library. So I've already went ahead and uploaded all of my photos from Canva. So all these right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start selecting these photos that I have already put into Canva. Okay, so now I have all the pictures I want to use. Obviously for my laptop, I use a lot more pictures, but since I'm scaling down, I just went ahead and kind of decreased however many I'm going to use because I don't have as much room. So as you can see, I have photos that are for my hair goals, my locks, my business goals, my small business I have, my fitness goals and my health goals, my self-care goals and travel goals, and then career goals. Like I said, I'm in sport business, so I have some photos of basketball because I eventually want to work for the NBA, and then just some pictures of places I want to travel to or places I'm planning on traveling to. This is a picture of Barbados, which is where my family's from, and then I have a picture down here of a YouTube plaque because I really want to lock in on my YouTube channel this year and just really be more, you know, consistent with my uploads. And so right now I'm just kind of going through and like cropping the photos, so that way I can like start moving them around and get them small enough so that I actually have room for like words. And I have some pictures of like apartment goals. I want to save up and have my own apartment one day. So yeah, just the basic things. Okay, so also on Canva, if you select a photo, you'll see like the circle with like the 2 arrows. You can like tilt photos like that. And then of course, you can also do this process on your laptop. It's not just a mobile feature, Canva. You can do it on your laptop, iPad, anything like that. But since it's going on your phone and that, you know, you use your phone most often, I just figured it'd be easier, more user-friendly if I showed you how to do it from my actual phone instead of showing you from my laptop, just in case you don't use the laptop. So I'm gonna start grouping my photos together. So I'm gonna put my hair pictures towards the bottom. Okay, and then next to my hair pictures, I'm gonna put like my health ones. And then if you just scroll down to position, you can always like bring a photo forward if you want to do so, just in terms of like layering your photos. Do that so they're not like overlapping each other. Okay, so that's done. And then above my fitness and my hair goals, I'm gonna put the self-care photo I found. And then like I said, all these pictures I found from Pinterest. So, you know, just for you, if you have like, if you follow like a nails page or a hair page, or, you know, a travel page on Instagram, you can always go on Instagram, screenshot those and crop them down. But it's just easier for me to just go on Pinterest and just type in self-care, type in new apartment, type in Barbados, you know. So it's just easier for me, but it's like 100% your preference. So I'm going to take the YouTube one and I'm going to put that backwards so it's not covering up the lock pictures. And then I'm going to use the basketball one, send that one to the back as well, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's the apartment photo. Okay, so like I said, right now I'm just gonna go through and layer all these, do all the resizing. So I'm probably gonna like fast forward through this part so you're not just sitting here watching me do this. Okay, so that's done. As you can see, I still have a little bit more like room. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some more of my uploads that I have from my MacBook vision board. So I'm gonna grab this one and this one because I want to go on like more girls trips, just more traveling in general, because 2020 I obviously did not get to do too much of any traveling. So I'm gonna do that. And then the way I have these photos stacked, you don't have to do it like me. Like as you can see, I'm basically doing it like a collage form. You can make yours more uniform, it's completely up to you. But for me, I just want to do it more collage way. Like it's your wallpaper, so you know, don't do it exactly like I'm doing if you don't like it, because you're the one that has to look at it every day. Okay, so that looks good to me. I have my, let me scoop that one up. Okay, so I have my fitness at the bottom left. I got my hair goals bottom right. Above that, I got my self-care, my basketball for my career goals, my YouTube goals, my small business goals. I got my apartment goals and then my travel goals. So that looks good to me. So that's gonna be my foundation. I could stop right here if I wanted to, but I won't, because I can also go ahead and like add like text. So what I'm gonna do, let's see, select text, and then Canva has like preset text, like they have like templates for your background. I'm going to just not select the template. I'm gonna just select like the plain text box and just write in my own text. And like my laptop version, I'm gonna type in the words 2021 vision. And right now you can't see it because of the photos and everything. But Canva has effects where you can like either like lift your text to make it more visible. Let's see. There are other options where you can like make it like that, or where like it's like a neon effect. And of course you can always like change the font color to make it more visible against, just depending on what color you have it up against, so you can like read easily. Okay, and then from this point you're probably like, you can't even see the text. If you go onto that plus sign and select elements, and then go to shapes, I'm just gonna do like a regular square, and then it has like, there's tabs on the side of the shape, you can like reshape it. So my square is gonna be somewhat of a rectangle. And you can change the transparency, so I'm gonna turn mine down a little bit so it's not, you know, just completely a block. And then you can go back to your text and then change the font color to like black. So then it looks like that. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and change like the spacing of the letters. So that way it covers up some more of that yellow bar. So at the bottom of the screen, there's gonna be an option, says, where is it? Position. Just click center and then middle. It'll put it right back in the middle for you. And then right now I'm liking what I'm seeing. So right now that is what mine is looking like. Of course you could always like go in and add more text, like if you wanted to put like self-care or dreams or goals like around 2021 vision. That's just what I wanted mine to say. Like on my laptop, it has like my favorite Bible verse on it. You can also put like a favorite quote or something like that. But for now, this is like great. And then once I'm done and satisfied, in the top right, the second button from the right is going to be that download arrow. You just select that, and then it just uploads it to your phone for you. And it says save to camera roll. Tap that, go to camera roll. Now it should be saved to your camera roll. I'm just gonna hit that button in the bottom left where you can use it as your wallpaper, and then just kind of resize it to your liking. I'm gonna go back so I can make sure I have it like directly in the middle. Pinch it, and then just set it as my lock screen. And then another great thing about Canva that I don't want to forget to mention is that if you want to ever change your wallpaper, your digital vision board, you want to change up the color scheme, take off a photo, add a new photo, change the font, whatever, add some more text, Canva saves all your designs. So if you just go back to the design, you can just do all the edits you want without having to start from scratch. And I forgot to mention, of course, Canva's a free app, of course. Pinterest, Instagram, they're all free. I ain't paying for no apps. This ain't sponsored. It ain't sponsored. I hope that this tutorial was simple enough to follow along with, so you can create your own little digital vision board. You didn't need any glue sticks, a poster board. You didn't need any scissors to cut up any magazines, like you was making a ransom note, like you was at the 6th grade science fair with your poster board. You ain't need none of it, okay? Technology, digital. You on your phone all day anyway, staring at it, burning your retinas out. Look at something positive. Look at them goals and them aspirations and remind yourself to stick to the plan, okay? Okay, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.